Here I have POCO X5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to access recent app section. If you have 3 buttons navigation, you will have one of these 3 buttons is the recent app section. But if you have gesture navigation like me, what you'll have to do is to swipe your finger up and hold it for about a second like this, and that's how you can access recent section. So as you can see here, I have some of opened apps, and to close them all at once you just tap on this cross button here, and wow, all apps are cleared. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.